Anyway, we can start, right? I think all are joined. Okay. So coming to DevOps or cloud, uh, as a cloud engineer or a DevOps engineer or a Linux system administrator or any job, okay. When working with the production environment, uh, we need to automate our deployments or application deployment or any task. Some repetitive tasks there. So all things we need to automate, okay? Because I will show you. My screen is visible. Now it is visible, right?
Now, yes, it is.
Okay. So working with the one or two or at least five machines, it's a fun thing. Aisha. For example, okay. Hmm. This is the admin, okay. So the one who manage the production machines, okay. So for example, this is our AWS account. So here, consider there is 10 machine, okay. Sorry, 5 machine. So periodically we need to patch the machine and update new packages. So many things we need to do as a cloud engineer or DevOps engineer. So what will we do? We SSH the required machine, okay. SSH into the machine and do the things, pass. Then exit the machine. Then again SSH into next machine. All SSH, okay. Through SSH, it's done. Then log into another machine, do the things, then log into another machine. Same thing we need to, update sudo update or yum update patch, and then install the latest patches and update the machine. Okay. This is a small scenario. Then again, switch into next to last machine and do the things. Okay. All things are passed. So this is a kind of a small scenario. When coming to real world scenario, there is multiple, huge n numbers of server. For example, 20 servers, 50 servers, 100 servers. So for that scenario, what will you do? Log into the each, single mission and do the things. It's make lot of time, right? And it's a tedious task, right? You just assume log into 100 machines or 200 machines and do the same thing repetitive. So for this, the Ansible plays a role. Remove the thing and I will explain how Ansible plays. Same scenario, okay. We in our account we have 10 servers. Consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 server there. And now we have one tool. The name is called Ansible. Okay, the tool name called Ansible. What is Ansible? Anyone?
It's a configuration tool.
Okay.
Management.
Okay. Done. Ansible is a tool to automate configuration management, application deployment, task automation, and so many things we can do with the Ansible. Okay, it's a infrastructure as a code. Okay, it's a service infrastructure as a code under IAC. Several tools there. Common one are Ansible, Terraform, Ansible. Common IAC tools. What is next one? Terraform, right? Terraform. Next. Any other tool? Anyone heard Puppet Chef?
Yeah,
Some
Puppet. I work on Puppet.
Puppet Chef and some other tools there in market. So commonly we can see, I mean, Ansible and Terraform. With the combination of these two, we can manage administrating deployment, all the things. Okay. So yes, Ansible is a push mode tool. Okay, I mean there is two type. I mean push and pull. Push means this is the person, okay, who manage the thing, and this is a server. Okay, and pushing means we have the configuration file. This is a configuration file. Okay, in that I mean this is a manifesto. This is a YAML file. Okay, and inside the YAML file we define all the things what we need to do or what we need to implement to our remote server. Here, this is a remote server. Okay, this is a remote server, and this is our local machine. And this is our laptop, and so this is our laptop. Inside the laptop, we write up the YAML file. This is the YAML file, and inside the YAML file, for example, what do we do? Yeah, we need to install a Nginx web server. Okay, so here n numbers. Here we have two groups of machine and one group of machines under web server. So our responsibility is install web server into the first group. Okay, here there is a 10 machine or 5 machines. So first I will explain single machine. That is consider leave the thing. Okay, so we have one machine. We need to install Nginx. Okay. Before we install Nginx I mean, go in with the SSH and log in the machine and go to the terminal of this machine and run the codes, right? I mean, sudo yum update, install the package and install Nginx version then systemctl. Same way we install Nginx, right? So coming to automation, we write up all the steps. I mean, what are the steps we define when we log into the terminal before? So same steps we write up in the YAML file. Here we need to write, I mean, sudo install, sudo yum update, sudo install nginx, systemctl start, systemctl enable. All things we write up in the single YAML. Then we need to push this entire YAML file, I mean, entire code to the remote server. This is called a push model. These both are push model, okay? And coming to Chef Puppet, this is both push and pull model. Pulling means first we will gather the information from the remote machine to our local machine and write up the things accordingly. That's a pull model. Okay. And coming to Ansible, there is some terms. It's agentless, okay? Agentless. Agentless means anyone can tell what is agentless and agent.
On the node, there is no agent. Only on the master side, there will be agent. So on the receiving end, you don't need any agent. Just simply Ansible can still deploy remotely.
Okay. Yeah, right. So we didn't install any agent. For example, in this case, okay, here we have a 10 machine or 100 machine. So installing agent into each machine is another tedious task, right? So Ansible is a agentless architecture. It's running an agentless architecture. We didn't install any agent to our targeted machine. Then the next thing is we write up the things in declarative mode, okay? Declarative. I mean, when coming to Ansible, we write up the write up the entire thing. And I mean, what are the things we need to install or we need to do in the target machine? All things we write as a playbook. Got it. So the playbooks uses a declarative language to describe the desired state of the system. The same way you know the YAML things, and we wrote up so many declarative pipeline in Jenkins, right? So it's not a complex thing. It's a human readable, human friendly. I mean, we can write up the things. I mean, we know what are the things we implement. Just to look the declarative YAML. One of the next thing is it's the item potency, okay? Item potency. What is item potency? Anyone?
One and only one.
Yeah, how we, the use case in Ansible. I mean, it's a fundamental concept in Ansible. For example, we need to deploy an Nginx server to the remote host. Okay. So the item potency ensure if the same playbooks we run multiple times, okay, got it. If we implement multiple times, the system knows because there is already exists that the first deployment. I mean the first, for example, this is the machine, target machine. So here we need to, this is our playbook. So we push the playbook, okay, to the target machine. Now the Nginx is installed. So next time, okay, we, for example, we just run again the playbook. So the targeted machines know, I mean the Ansible know that the what are things we implement, I mean in the playbook, it's already installed this machine. It's only, I mean, it's not iterate. I mean, again, it's implement all the things. For example, how we can, there's an example like, yes, we write up the things, okay, for Nginx. And at the same time, we add some arguments, okay, inside the playbook. So the in arguments, we mentioned that when installing Nginx, this is our source. So creating a path, not a source, a path, I mean a directory for the particular application. In our case, it's Nginx. So next time we run the playbook, it will check the path. I mean the same path we mentioned before. So the path exists there, then it will revert back. I mean it's not implement in the second deployment. Got it?
So does this mean like how many times you input the same values, it doesn't install the first time already if it's installed?
Yes. I mean, it's ensure that the running same playbook multiple times has the same effect as running it once.
Got it.
Then we already talked that is not a agentless. I mean, it's agentless. So how this master, I mean, where we installed the Ansible, that's called as a master. Then how the master communicate with the target machines? Anyone? I mean, this is a machine.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah. Yeah, we already discussed the Ansible is agentless, right? Agentless. So this is a machine where we installed Ansible. Okay. So this is the master. Consider this is a master machine. And this is our target machine. Okay. So how the master authenticate or communicate with the target machine?
A service account,
Using SSH?
a service account.
Not service account, through SSH. That
SSH
is,
protocol.
yeah,
Okay.
SSH key-based authentication. SSH key-based authentication. Okay. So Ansible relies on SSH key-based authentication to connect remote or secure. Got it?
Is it similar to RMI?
Similar to?
A remote method.
Yes. Pushing through SSH, say we already done our first pipeline. The Jenkins publish our SSH. Remember? But ensure that we provide the PEM key, IP, and all the things, or username or password or PEM key with IP. I mean, this master machines know, this master machines knows the PEM key and the IP of the target machine. For example, this is a target machine. For this machine, we provide a PEM key, right? This PEM key we need to provide in this master machine. Got it?
So do we use the same PEM key of different servers if you want to push the code?
Yes, yes, yes.
So each server has its own like PEM key, right? So
Yes, yes.
when we are configuring PEM key for one time in Ansible,
Hmm.
it is going to take care of other servers.
No, no,
Each
no.
one has different PEM keys, right?
Yes. For example, here there is two machine. So the two machine have different PEM, okay? PEM 1. This is the target machine, okay? PEM 1, PEM 2. So coming to our master, there is a SSS agent here. Is to go to SSS agent. Before that, we need to add the SSH of, the PEM key. We need to add the PEM key in our directory. Then we need to add the PEM accordingly in our SSH.agent. Got it? We need to confer inside our master machine.
Master mission, that means PEM 1, PEM 2. These
Yes.
are two servers, right? If we
Yes.
have multiple servers, each one has different PEM keys. So as you said, it is tedious job to configure all the servers. So
Most
doing at a
probably,
time and running the Ansible playbook.
yeah, most probably we grouping the machines. Okay, for example, here there is 10 machine. Okay, first we group the machine. These 5 machines are related to web server or database. We need to run database in this the first 5 machine. And most probably for the first 5 machine, there is a single PEM.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah. And in coming to production, we are using, bash nodes, and we didn't expose this database to public. So using Bastion, and we route the machines with the Bastion. Remember our first labs?
Yeah, bash and to
Yes, sir.
keep the
Mhm.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So there will be only one Ansible playbook in the production environment, right?
No, no, no. Different playbooks we can write. For each task, we need to create different playbooks.
Okay. I mean, there will be multiple layers. So each layer has a different Ansible playbook, or entire application will have only one Ansible playbook.
Ansible playbook means for example, we in this scenario, okay, this scenario, the first 5 machine we need to deploy a web server. Second scenario, we need to install database. Install database into each machine. EBDBD5 database. So what will you do? Write a single YAML or single playbook or 2 playbook.
That's what my question is, sir. I'm not able to understand.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. We need to write two playbooks.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. For example, yeah, another scenario, we write up a playbook for installing the Nginx or Apache. Okay. So we need to delete that thing. I mean that servers, 5 servers. After some time, we need to remove the 5 web servers. So we again write up another playbook for removing. Got it. Otherwise, we confuse which playbooks belongs which things. That's why we need to mention clearly. For example, the playbook one name is installing nginx.yaml. The next playbooks maybe delete nginx.yaml, install database.yaml, application deployment.yaml. Playbooks names like this.
Yeah, that means based on scenario and requirement. We need
Yes.
to, yeah, okay, thank you.
The same way we need to, we will write Ansible playbook for the deployment. I mean, CI/CD deployment, mostly the CD part. Okay. I mean, write the image. I mean, Docker image. I mean, create a playbook for deployment. Inside the playbook, we need to mention the latest Docker image and pushing that image to Kubernetes cluster and say some scenario like that.
Yeah, I think we need to create infrastructure through Terraform and deploy that using Ansible. Am I right?
Yeah, we can deploy same I mean infrastructure with the Ansible, no problem. I mean creating a EC2 machine, I mean launching a EC2 machine, same scenario we can done with Ansible, but we are mostly using Ansible for management. I mean configuration management, like application deployment, web deployment, some like that. And we are most probably deploying infrastructure. I mean, IaaS, we are going with the Terraform.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubt? Then I will quickly go to launch a mission for install the Ansible. Okay. Linux is fine. Retire. file is actually logged in my machine. Then sudo it. So the command for installing Ansible is sudo yum install Ansible. Loading plugin now package Ansible. We can install Ansible different way. I mean, some prerequisite is there. We need to install the Python, pip, so many things. And easily we can install through Amazon Extras, okay? Using Amazon Extras. So Amazon Linux Extras install Ansible. Wait. This is the command. Yes. Now we are configure a machine and install Ansible. Okay. Easy to install Ansible. And we can call it as a Ansible server. I mean master. Verify the version. See, the Ansible version is Ansible 2.9.23. So installation part is over. Okay. Now, first you need to ping. Okay. How, for example, we have a production environment or we have an environment. Okay. In that environment, there is multiple servers, like n numbers of server, and we need to verify all servers are up and running. Okay. So as network concept, okay, first we need to, for example, we have a remote server or we have a server. Okay. I mean, that server is remote. Okay. Remotely located somewhere. So if any network issue, I mean, there is no connection between that server with our machine, then first we need to ping that machine, right? Use ping command. For example, I need to check my internet is good or bad. So I just open CMD and using ping command. Ping. I am pinging to verify my network. I mean, internet connection is good or bad. So is a stable connection. Then I will check with the ping command. Ping to where ping. Now I am checking internet connection. So there is we commonly use Google, right? So we can ping to the Google DNS server. So Google DNS server IP is 8.8.8.8. So yeah, we got a reply from the DNS server, and it's a stable connection. We got a internet connection. So I can easily access Google. The same way we are using ping command. Okay. So in our case, we can ping multiple server at a time. Okay. Using Ansible. We can multiple servers. So ensure that all servers are up, right? From this machine, we can ping ping same way, or we can ping all the machines. Okay. So we need one machine. So I'm going to launch one machine too. I'm using the same PIM. Okay. Launch. So this is my machine. This is the IP. So the next thing in Ansible is inventory. What is inventory? Anyone?
What all the things we need to install? A list of items that we need to install.
Yes. For example, as a dev team, okay, DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer, we have the details of our machines. I mean, that remote machine. For example, there is Excel file. We keep a Excel file for that. So easily we can identify this machine located to here. And so, I mean, the details of the machine and the machine's IP, username, region, all things we save it as a Excel file. Okay. So using the Excel file, we can do the things. I mean, we can easily getting the IPs, the PEM keys, password, all the things we can. It's look like a serial number first, and then the host name. Okay. Then IP of the machine. IP address. Then username. Then type. Type means SSH or password. Okay, two way we can authenticate. One is using SSH key or using password. Then password. Password means if you're using password, then you need to provide the password or SSH key name. Then the service type. This is a common scenario we using Excel for Ansible. So the service, under the service, we need to know the service belong to app or app servers or database, similar kind. Okay, we need to mention as per the requirement. And here SL means the numbers of the machine. Host name means the username of the machine. IP means public IP. Not host name. Here a username here. So here we need to mention the username. And yeah, similar way we keep the Excel, I mean inventory for identifying the machine. Okay. So similar way, if we have the inventory of our machine, we can easily copy the things and create the inventory file for Ansible. Okay. So coming to Ansible inventory, the main things we save in the inventory is the host machine details, like the username, password, I'm sorry, username and IP. Okay. So now I am install Ansible. So before that, this is our scenario. So I need to ping this machine. Okay, I just install one machine. That's our target machine. So I need to save the machine PEM key, right? I'm just to go to the ECT user. Yeah, okay, here. And using nano or PIM, VI, VI. We need to provide a name for our PEM, okay? Key.pem. Hit enter. Now, just to go to the PEM key. This is a PEM, okay? Open with the notepad. Copy all. Then go to our, yeah, this is Vim, so I need to insert, go to insert mode, paste, escape, double colon, double Q, enter. So I successfully added the PEM key of my target machine. Got it? Any doubt? The same way we need to change the modification for the PEM key, okay? Change mode 400 is key.com. Yes. So next we have the details of our target machine. Okay. So where we store the details in our inventory file, right? So I'm going to create a file that we keep the inventories as a text. Okay. So the file name may be inventory, right? It's the nano. Now I am on in a nano editor. The name file name is inventory.txt. So this is a basic thing I am just adding. That is Ansible. I'm talking to Ansible. Okay, Ansible target 1, Ansible target 1, Ansible host equal to the name of, I mean the IP of the target machine. This is the IP of the target machine. Paste it here. Ansible target 1, Ansible of, then IP, then Ansible. The connection is equal to SSH, right? Then Ansible. Whole thing I am talking with the Ansible, okay? That's why I am mentioning Ansible. Ansible user equal to the username of our target machine. EC2 user. Ansible target 1. Ansible. If we have one more target, then we need to add one more command for the same. Okay, Ansible target 2, Ansible host is equal to the IP of the second machine. Then the connection type is same SSH and the username is same. Got it. So I think this is done. Then I'm going to save. Control X, this is nano. Yeah. Now the inventory dot text is there. So I just ping to the target machine, okay, using Ansible. So the command is Ansible target 1 ping minus I mean the inventory file is mentioned. The inventory file is inventory dot text. This is a command for ping using Ansible. Okay, we are talking with Ansible. First Ansible, then this is my target Ansible target 1, and we need to ping, and this is the detail of the target machine. Hit enter. Yes. Ansible target 1 unreachable, change false, message into connection the host SSH. Yeah. When we add the PEM key, we need to add that. Yeah.
We gave only 400, right? That 400, is that not enough?
Yeah, that's enough. But we need to add that in our machine's SSH agent. Okay. So we need to do that using SSH agent bash. Then we need to copy the file. I mean, copy using copy, then key.pem. Then where we need to copy, this is a directory where we keep the SSH. Okay, .ssh slash enter key.pem permission denied using sudo. Okay, then we need to add that. I mean, adding this SSH key to the SSH dot folder. Okay, SSH add and provide the directory SSH and the key name key.pem.
That means before we ping the system, we need to run all these commands and then do Ansible target 1.
That's better, I think.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Is it like SSH add will add it to one master table or some hash table that Linux?
No, there is a path. There's a path. This is not path. That path belongs all the SS key.
No. What does SSH hyphen add will do? Is it looks like it is adding the
Adding this PEM key.
adding to the path.
Yeah, adding this key to here.
Okay.
That is key.pem. This will work, I think.
Should we add it to ID or RSA path?
No, no, no. Just changing the permission. Okay, so triple four. Config in the
Can
name.
we? I think can we first go as a sudo su and become admin because the home directory may be wrong because it is still showing EC2 user at IP. That means the home directory may be somewhere else. Can we first go become like root?
No, actually it will work most probably.
You're adding SSH to this ECT user, not to the root, right? So
Sorry?
no, we are adding this as a perm key to the ECT user, right?
Yes.
Not to the root.
Read. Fine. Then just search. Bash. I think everything is fine because we changed the modification and added.
Maybe you should have tried sudo copy because normal user do not have access to copy. Maybe try sudo copy instead of just copy.
Sorry.
So you actually tried CP. No, wait. I'm saying use sudo CP instead of just CP.
Yeah. This, right?
Yeah, try with sudo.
Try with the sudo.
Correct. Sudo CP. Maybe even SSH add also run as sudo.
I will remove the thing. Okay. Sudo remove key.com. Okay, I'm just try to add one more using nano. Sudo nano my key.com. Then copy, paste, save and exit. Now I am going to change the permission. Chmod my key. Okay. Now I am going to SSH agent dash or CP my key dot com SSH then SSH add. So SSH SSH my key.com. Location agent.
Can we go back to the command prompt? I think even when we when we ran the bash command, even that also probably need to be sudo.
No, but it's worked actually. Then it's going to root. Try with the root. Okay. Key.
Hello?
Yeah.
Ah, it's okay.
Anyone have any idea how to troubleshoot?
I am thinking security groups, inbound
No, no,
groups.
no, no.
Can we just run it everything like a root user?
Mm. No, we already tie with the sudo. That's same thing we done actually.
No, but when we did root, we did not launch SSH agent, right? Even SSH agent, I want to run it like root. We did not try SSH agent bash in root.
Wait, I will try this. After that, we need to try that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think we don't have issue with file permissions. The issue is running the SSH agent and SSH add. We have enough permissions on the file.
Oh, we already give the permission for him.
Do we need to install any SSH
No, no,
packages
no.
or SSH?
No. Yes. That's all. Identity added. That's some privilege issue, I think we face. Okay. Yeah. Now we can quickly run our playbook, okay, using the Ansible command. Ansible. Then this is a command for Ansible. Then we need to specify what? Specify the target name. Okay, the target name is Ansible target one. So Ansible target one. Then we need to do the ping command. Yeah, ping inventory .txt. Hit enter. Yes. See, Ansible target success. Ping. This is the way we ping using Ansible. Okay. Now the ping is success. That's why we got a message like target success Ansible fact is our Python change ping pong. Any doubt? Now I'm going to create a playbook. Okay. So should I have one playbook? Okay, this is playbook for installing Nginx. So this is a way, okay, we creating YAML file. So first we need to provide a name. The name, we can provide a name. This is for set up the Nginx server on my server list. And host. Here we can see a tag called host, okay. And under host, I mean, there is mentioned some tag here. The tag name is my servers. Then become true. This is some privilege issue. Okay, we need to execute some privilege issue. That's why this is true. So it's escalate the privileges. Then here from task, we need to mention the task that we implement through Ansible. Okay, to the remote host. So under task, we need to mention the name. The name is install the latest version of Nginx. Then the next thing is called a module. Under module, this is a module. We use a command module that for the installation path. Okay, the Nginx version. The command we manually how we install Nginx, the same command we need to provide here. So why for we didn't ask any yes or no. That's why. Then we need to add one arguments. Okay. Under argument, we need to create a directory. That directory name is sbin nginx. When we install, when we run the playbook, that will run install the nginx web server and create a directory. So this directory, next time we need to run the application first. The Ansible look for the directory has been, if the directory there, it means the application already exists there. That means item button way that not reiterate the thing. Then again, the next task is start Nginx. Okay, this is a service module we implement here. The name is Nginx. The state is started. We need to ensure the state is started or not. So it started. Then the next thing is we need to enable the Nginx. Same way we are using the things. Remember, when we installing systemctl start, systemctl enable, systemctl stop, the same command we are providing here using playbook. So this was the enable. So the enable status is yes. Got it. So next thing, Nginx is the latest version. So this is a command that will show us that the version. This is grepping, okay? I mean, after deploying the observer, it will grep the version of the installed web server version. It will show. This is for grepping. And yeah, the last task is for status, systemctl status. So it will give the status of our web server. And this is one more thing I added, that Ansible copy file. This is, for example, we need to copy some files to different machines. Okay, so from host machine we have the file, then we can directly send the all files to the all servers. I mean, send the files to the all servers using Ansible. So for this, we need to ensure this is source. Source means where the Ansible server belongs. And this is a root directory where the application, this sample.txt exists in our directory. I mean, the master Ansible machine. And this push to the destination. I mean, the target machines, this part. Okay. So I'm going to copy the entire thing and go to terminal. And create a name, nano. Nginx install .yaml and paste. Yes, paste all the things. Then save and exit. Okay, now it's fine. Then we need to configure something. Okay, so there is a path. That path is cd etc. Here, Ansible there. Okay, just to go to Ansible. ls. You see Ansible.configuration. That's a file we configure Ansible. Then host, then prod. In our case, we need to add that remote host in our host configuration. So using nano, opening the host. See, here we need to add our machine details. Okay, so I am going to add gender. Here we need to provide the IPs. Okay. So now I am going back. And nothing do anything. Then open the main. Yeah. Cat inventory .txt. Okay, this is our inventory. Okay, so for example, we have different types of configuration. Okay, in our inventory. So this is for example, this is for installing web Nginx. Okay, so we need to install Nginx for a 5 machine, and there is another 5 machine. So how we keep the inventory? We can grouping the inventory. Okay, for example, this is for the web server or anything like that. Just enter. And this is called grouping. Inside the bracket, we can save like my server. For example, some more machines or some other inventories there, we can group that based on the requirement. For example, database or anything like that. Okay. So accordingly, we need to change in our host. Now I am changing to my server. Just save and exit. Yes, exit. Now I am going to edit the host. Okay. CD, PTC, Ansible, Nano, host. Okay. So come down here, add something like my host like that. So my host, host. Here we can mention okay, the name of the my server, right? My server. And provide the IP of the server. In our case, this is a target machine, so provide the IP. Okay, it's fine. Then save and exit. Got it. Any doubt? Anyone?
Shimi, what do you have for host and what do you have for inventory? Like, what are the different things in those two files?
Which file?
Nano host is a file, right?
Yeah, using Nano. Nano is editor to edit the host file. Host is a file. So I need
What
to
about file? What do you put in a host file and what do you put in inventory file?
first I go to the inventory file and I am grouping. Okay, I'm adding a tag for the inventory. The tag name is my server. Got it. So go to inventory, cat inventory .txt. So this is my tag for this machine. If I need to add one more machine for the same scenario, I will add that machine, that thing under the this thing. Okay, this Ansible. I mean, name it as target2 like that. For example, I need to deploy web server. This is for web server. Okay, I need to deploy a database for some machine. So I need to add one more thing like Ansible target3. But for the Ansible target3, I create another tag that is for my database server like that. Same thing, I need to create another tag for that. Under tag, that machine will affect the tag.
Okay, let's move on.
Now I am quickly run the playbook to verify the thing. Okay, using Ansible. The playbook name. Name is Nginx. V for web browser. Okay, just try with web browser. Setup engage on my server list. No hosted match.
One quick question.
Sorry.
One quick question.
Yeah, my server.
So why you gave it twice? Like you gave it at Ansible target. See, if you couple of lines above, you have this command Ansible hyphen target hyphen one Ansible host.
Hmm.
No. Don't go into this file. A couple of lines above here itself, you have this command full target one.
Yeah. This, right?
Yeah. So why you are again giving the my server? You already specified host.
I didn't get you actually.
So
Voice is breaking.
in the my server, you already have target machine name, machine IP, right?
Yes.
But then why in the command we are again passing that Ansible underscore host is equals to 44 203 63 169.
Yes. This is the target one. I mean, in inventory, we need to mention all things. You see the connection type, the username, all things we mention here. See.
Okay. So if we have two such lines, it will install in both the IPs. Probably
Yes.
if okay. Get it. Thank you.
Check the some configuration mismatch nginx install .yaml. You see the name my server. Okay, wait. You see, in the configuration file, the name is servers. In my case, the server. That's the thing. And just to save and say run again. I'm going to run again. Playbook. Yeah, I think it's worked now. You see, it's gathering the facts. I mean, task one is going to happen. What are thing happening here is each task run. Okay, first task is installing latest version. Then next day, some error happened there. Again, failed. Yeah, we can continue tomorrow, right? Since time is over. I will troubleshoot and
We have one quick question, sir. We are struggling while running the CI/CD. We are getting a uh, Docker build error. Do
can
you
you share
think
the
we can?
screen?
Yeah. Thank you
Yeah.
very much. We'll share. Yeah.
all try to complete the CI/CD because we need to, it's the same thing. I mean, automate deployment using Ansible. So,
Can you stop sharing so that I will share?
okay. Share. You can share right now.
I'm sharing now. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Manage Jenkins. So I have this pipeline setup. Okay.
Mm.
It is failing at Docker build. Obviously, I don't see any errors, means it is failing at login. So I checked in console. I do see it is failing at login.
Console output.
Yeah. So it is
Login.
trying to
So permission issue.
permission issue. Oh, so do I need my maybe 400?
You need to add a user in the Docker machine. Log into the Docker machine. Where you install Docker.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
in the
My
Jenkins machine, right?
yeah, correct.
Yeah,
In
login.
the
Login.
okay, in the Jenkins, what do you want me to do? Go to Jenkins manager.
No. We need to get the terminal. SSH.
SSH.
Yeah.
No, the server where you installed Jenkins.
Oh, okay. I'm connected already. This is
Yeah.
my.
Then you
Yes.
need to add.
Okay.
No, the command is user add. Okay.
Okay. Sudo user add.
User mode. Sudo
Yeah.
user mode.
User
Mod.
mode.
No.
Any capital?
No. Mod. Small. Mod.
Minus
Space.
GG.
Minus A.
AG, right?
G. Yeah. Space.
AG.
Docker.
Yeah. Docker user, right?
Docker space
$user.
$user. Capital user. Hit enter. And we need to provide the permission. 777. Sudo chmod 777 for the directory where we face the permission issue.
Okay. So
Sudo
1 minute.
chmod 777 space
for
/var run
var 1 second. Let me see
docker.soak
1 minute.
dashboard. Copy the directory.
Var run Docker sock. Okay.
Now run the pipeline. Run again.
I have been changing the Docker
Right.
tool. I don't know what will happen. Let's see.
Yeah, it will work.
I'm not sure if I mess up anything else.
Show me the error. Go to log. Yeah, scroll up. Scroll down. You go to the pipeline, configure pipeline.
Okay.
Configure. Scroll down. show this Docker build T CI/CD.
It says no space left on the device.
Yeah, that's what I see when.
Go to the machine, I mean, terminal. I mean, connect.
So this is the place where we are running the Jenkins.
Docker image.
Uh,
Image. Enter. Sudo Docker images. Images.
1 minute. Wait. I don't know where it is. Maybe I can remove this one. I'm not using this.
That is Ansible.
No, I'm using 1 minute. Wait. I don't know which one I'm using.
Go back to command. Configure.
Okay, yeah, I'll go there.
Configuration. Docker build.
Is there any problem with this one? Because see, I want to show you something.
You just to go to the tools. You provide the same name there.
Yeah, I think I kept the same name, but we never know. Let me go there. So tools. I have Docker installation. I use Docker latest. This is the name we keep there, right?
Then go back to the credentials.
Credentials we have. Credentials.
Managing its credential down. Yeah.
See, this is the one we have.
So not good.
Docker
Okay. Then go to the configure. I want to see the console output for the
Okay. Yeah.
latest out. Scroll down.
So
Down.
yeah. Okay. The last
We
one.
passed all the part. I expect the
Correct.
Docker build.
Failed
Down.
to register layer, write
Wait.
user local.
One. Wait to register. Okay. No space left on the device.
Is it the failed to register layer? Which location is it writing to?
the same location you see user local OpenJDK 8 lib 2.
Right? Should we increase the machine capacity?
Wait. Scroll up. Just scroll up. Up. Duplicate legacy. Duplicate environment. Trombone. Scroll up. You install the Docker plugins, right?
I think so, but let me
Just to
see.
go check the Docker plugins.
Yeah, sometimes that also can be a problem. Yes. So manage
Docker. Aware plugins, Docker.
So I have
Just aware plugins, go to aware plugins. Available.
1 minute.
and type Docker.
See, I think we have at least 5 of these. Docker API, Docker Common, Docker Pipeline, Docker Plugin,
That's
Docker
enough.
Build.
And go to tools, manage Jenkins. Hold on. Docker installation again. Docker latest is fine. Then yeah, go back.
Is there anything we need to keep in system also?
Go to system. There's nothing in Docker. Scroll down. Scroll down.
I see something like something for Docker Hub, Docker. It is asking URL, but I don't know. Docker.
No.
This is only for declarative.
Scroll down. Scroll down.
Docker build.
No, scroll down. Okay. Then just to go to the configuration once again.
Oh, 1 second. Sorry. Pipeline configure. Yeah.
Me. Release can wait. Docker, let us search Docker build TCP.
Do you want me to create this syntax again?
No. Close the angry braces accordingly. I mean,
Yeah, this
last
looks fine.
one.
This is fine. This is see. This is for this. This is for this.
For the
This is
package,
for
I
this.
mean, for the
I kept.
stages.
Yeah, this is for stage. This last one is for stage.
Close
This is,
accordingly.
yeah, that looks fine. This is for stages,
Okay.
and the last for pipeline. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, if syntax is wrong, it should upfront complain, right?
Wait. Um, web step script. You just change the name, I mean CACD, and run.
This one, instead of CI/CD, put some other.
CACD one, yeah. Test is enough.
Yeah. Maybe let's try.
Save and apply run. Otherwise, we need to check the space allocation anything for the directory.
While it is building, I want to just go and check the space that we allocated. Is I kept extra large actually.
And I can see one more project there that is success.
Yeah, the other one is without the Docker build.
Fine. Show the log. Good. Startup. Which Java you installed? I mean, go to the Java. I mean, tool.
Yeah, 1 second. No space left on the device.
You just go to the
Okay.
GD.
Yeah. I will do that. 1 second. You want to see the
Tools.
manage Jenkins tools,
JDK.
the JDK. This is
11.
the one.
Out of them. Okay. That's fine.
Is it something like my Git pulling something abnormal?
No. That part, checkout part is that. Just to go to the configuration once again.
Son is, am I pulling really anything abnormal?
Scroll up, scroll up. Scroll up. One thing, you just send the entire code, okay? I mean, entire Groovy script to me. I will check.
Yeah. Just the email. Okay, yeah, I'll copy into Notepad and we'll send it across.
Okay. And you ping me, okay? You don't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or I can do here also, right?
Mhm.
I can do here also, right? Let me see any secured information. I don't think I have anything.
Yeah, you send to me. Through WhatsApp, WhatsApp is enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, then we can wind up, right?
Yeah.
All of you. Yeah. Okay, then bye. All.